Ideal for rough and fast-cutting demolition tasks, the Ryobi ONE Brushless Reciprocating Saw can easily cut through wood, metal, and plastic. The brushless technology provides a more powerful reciprocating saw that can unlock applications previously reserved for corded saws. Ryobi's brushless technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium plus technology to deliver up to 20% more runtime and 30% more power than brush saws. The brushless motor generates class-leading 30mm stroke length with high cutting speed, allowing you to slice through tough materials with ease. The saw blades themselves are universal. You can pull the clamp up and easily fit any branded blade. A variable speed trigger helps you to get the cut started. And then you really feel the benefit of the anti-vibration handle design, which soaks up vibration during cutting for increased comfort and control. An LED is activated whenever the trigger is pulled, illuminating your work area. The orbital mode provides an anti-clockwise circular cutting motion, boosting performance by up to 40%. And with a 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can make up to 300 cuts in 2x4 timber. This brushless reciprocating saw is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative brushless saw will work with any ONE battery.